How to download SketchUp in your PC and laptop for free. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is open Google Chrome and search for SketchUp download. Once you do this, click enter, and then you have to click on this first link, downloading SketchUp. Once you click on this, then you will come on this page. Scroll down a bit and click on download for SketchUp 2026 for Windows. If you have macOS, you can click on this. If you have Windows, you have to click on this. Or if you want an offline installer for Windows, you can always click on this. Now the most important part, SketchUp requires these two files, so make sure you have these installed in your PC, and if they are not installed, make sure to click on these. So this will download their software application, and once the application doc complete, you run this, install that application on your PC. Once you install these both, then you have to download SketchUp for Windows and install the software in your PC. Once you do this, you have to restart your PC, and then your software has been installed perfectly. So yes, this is how you can download SketchUp for Windows in 2026. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.